Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got KB Shimmer Opes and Dreams Polish and Beauty Expo 2022 exclusive and St. Holly by GOGO only. This is a wonderful gift from my friend Miss Tammy over at Mrs. K's Corner. Opes and Dreams by KB Shimmer. Beautiful pink polish with those reflective glitters. Now I'm going to start off with IMK's Sticky Bio Base. And yes, I have on my little nail tips from Painted Desert. And I believe these are the short square nails. So here we go with Opes and Dreams, first coat. And you can see on my other nails that are already painted, it does dry down kind of matte looking, but that makes those glitters just pop. Those reflective glitters just really sing like this. And I am so in love with this. Look how pretty. Oh, very nice. And I've got Woody. Hi Woody, how you doing? Gonna clean up my mess. Look how pretty. So there is a swatch photo of it on its own. And I'm going to stamp with St. Holly by GOGO only. Got my H. La Corsador scraper and a cube stamper from Maniology. And this is Maniology So Metal. And here we go. We're just going to start playing. The fun part. All of it's fun for me, but the stamping really does take it a step further. So here we go. I'm going to plop that down. Very nice. I am cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller. It's being very sticky. And I'm going to clean that plate off with pure acetone. And go back in and get another one of these. So I'm going to do just accent nails today. And I'm not going to be top coating this because I really do think that these reflective glitters look prettier when left like this. Okay, I've changed my mind. I'm not doing just accent nails. I'm going to go all the way. I was going to do just accent nails, but I can't help myself. How many of you guys knew that this was going to happen? You would think I would know it. So I just picked another image, and I do believe this one lets a little more of that base color shine through. And, you know, it's going to be okay. You stamp them all if you want. You can do accents if you want. Whatever works for you. Me, I just get carried away. So I'm cleaning my scraper card and my plate and all my stuff with pure acetone. I want to get it all cleaned up before I put it away. Even my little mat down here, I clean it up. I clean everything. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of my skin so that I don't have to drench myself in acetone to get it clean. And I know you're probably concerned, well, if you're not top coating it, how do you expect the stickies or the stamping to stay on there? And truth be told, I knew I was only going to wear this for a couple of days because I had some other stuff that I needed to get into. So, I wasn't too worried. And actually, it did hold up pretty well, surprisingly. And I think it's maybe because it was more textured. So there it is. Get my cleanup done with my acetone. And no top coating today. So there it is. Here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.